This is H4 time frame of gold. Our first major support is 1760, which has been tested three times. If price goes above 1800 resistance, then you can expect trend reversal and first target will be 1834. If price goes above 1834, then it will be bullish trend making bottom at 1760. If 1760 support break, then bearish target will be 1721. On H4 chart, it has made this head and shoulder chart pattern, the left shoulder, head and right shoulder. Right shoulder can retest 1800 resistance zone. This week we have FOMC, so it can retest any of these support and resistance. To get more information beyond 1721 and 1834 support and resistance, we will go to daily time frame. On daily chart, our support is 1765, which has been tested multiple times, and resistance is 1834. All of these are static support and resistance, and this white trend line is our dynamic resistance. Retracement to this bearish trend from upper trend line can go up to 1834, or it can make sideways correction before breakout of 1765 support. On downside breakout, our first support will be 1677, which has been tested four times, then 1557. This week in FOMC, Fed can increase tapering speed, but next year, after first quarter, they will raise interest rate, and which is bearish for gold, which is why started this bearish trend from upper trend line. In next 4 months, price can make sideways correction and new impulsive wave below 1677, because higher interest rate are bearish for gold. The risk of coronavirus has gone last week, but we have new risk, the war between Ukraine and Russia. Dollar has been reserve currency since World War II. If Russia have their fight against dollar and they want to replace dollar as a reserve currency, and both countries China and Russia attack at the same time on dollar, then it will be bullish for gold. And beginning of war between all of these countries, Russia, Europe and America, can easily send gold up to $2000. Only gold can save this investor from currency war, which is why it is making support at 1765. For 2 weeks, it is trading about this level. The higher interest rate are bullish for dollar, but they want dollar to go zero. And if they start war before official rate hike, then it will be bad news for dollar and good for gold. So 1557 and 1959 are support and resistance. And first it has to break this range between 1765 and 1834. On weekly time frame, it has made this chart pattern. The lower trend line 1680 support, upper trend line the dynamic resistance at 1877. This bearish trend started from upper trend line, can make sideways correction or retracement back up to upper trend line, but target is 1680, then 1560. If this upper trend line breaks, then they will target 1912 1921 resistance zone. If risk of war between Russia and Ukraine gone in next 2 weeks, then there will be net seller of gold and they will sell until higher interest rate. Under both condition, these two 1900 and 1500 are your support and resistance on weekly time frame. Back again on H4 time frame, 1721, 1760, 1800 and 1834 are your support and resistance. For this week, FOMC and Ukraine are your fundamental reason for gold bullish or bearish trend.